I was asked to write a book about America, but the way women are treated in this country is a big part of America, so there are several pieces in here about that, and this is one called Dirty Water. Woman, you were supposed to die. Didn't we tell you by now? If you can't be quiet, we need to slice you. It won't take much because we started early. When you were in the crib, we started sticking pins in your neck, your hands, your thighs. We blindfolded you, bound your feet, made you bottle blonde, plucked your pubes, told you not a peep when we are in the room. Woman, you're listening! Don't tell us our mamas raised us to be better. You will never. Is she dead yet? I saw movement. The only good woman makes her voice like candy. When stuck like a pig, she squeals. Remote control, like a dead one. Late movie, make it hurt. Take her eyes, pull out her pink. She's inside out, it's not enough. Break every mirror, break every eye, break every bone so she knows we mean it. Let this be our little secret. She's dead, but we'll live another 60 years. Where the fuck are the car keys? On a lighter note,